What is going up, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great day today. We're going to be talking about how I have grown my Robinhood account over, what is it at? 40%, 39.63. It was, 41%, but obviously we had some pullback today, which is expected. But yeah, we're going to be talking about how I grew it, the trades that I took, and the reason why I took them, and then the stocks that I'm holding now for a potential profit. All right, so the first trade I took here was on ticker symbol NIO, also known as NIO. It is a Chinese company. They are related to Tesla and other, car type deals. They are an electric car company based out of China. They had their recent IPO this year, September 11th. So they're a fairly new company. And as you can see, it caught attraction. Went from $6.24, hit a high of almost $12 before we had some pullback. Always found some support at roughly $6 and resistance upwards of 8. So pretty much you can make fantastic trades just by judging that. But we're going to be talking about pretty much what I did, how I actually made a majority of my money on this ticker. Alright, so here it is right here. Where is it? That's weekly. Okay, so pretty much right here, I put in roughly $35 or so. Roughly 35. And then I grew it. I grew it. So we're going to be looking at just this chart right here, because I don't want to pull up my thinkorswim chart and just keep hopping back around. This will be easier to show you guys. So pretty much, I called this stock out actually on the second dip right here, December. It says December 24th, but I think it was a little earlier than that. That it had resistance at $6 or support at $6. So then I bought shares with this Robinhood account. So I bought shares, and then I continued to hold it until it hit $10. So right there I made $4 a share, and I had my 5 shares. So that was really majority of that $17 profit. I did scale out in and out, so it's not exactly that $4. But then so then I sold, and now I am holding AMD. AMD is pretty much just a computer micro. It's a micro computer software. They deal with people who build computers or companies that use their processors and stuff like that. They just have computer gear, I guess. So let's pull up the stock here. So what I see for this one, let's go. Okay, so looking at 5-day, we know that it is on the low of the 5-day, which is, it's not bad at all, because now we have a lot more upside potential. 1 month, okay, the recent low is 2267 or 2267, recent high 2471. So, not the greatest here. Let me see where I bought in. Let's go up here, guys. All right. So I think I'm down a little bit on this trade. So yeah, I'm down a little bit. $2. Not too bad, but whatever. So let's go 6 months. So pretty much what I would like to see happen here is, do you guys see how we're starting to make these higher lows? So you see how all these lows back here are lower. So looking at it, a low, it's lower. Another low, that's lower. Low, that's lower. And so now we're starting to get these higher lows. So higher, 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 higher. And then now we're in this higher zone right here. So pretty much I see this stock actually kind of popping up back to, you know, $30 would be nice, but realistically, you know, maybe $28, $29. Now this is going to be pretty much just a 1 month swing trade. We'll see what happens. It's such a small amount of money, so you know, I'm just trying to build it up to see if we can get to like maybe $100. If we can get to $100, then we would be in business, guys. We would be able to pretty much buy a lot more shares, and it would all just kind of work out a lot better. But you know, nothing we can do. It's not a big deal. But yeah, so AMD right now, and also I do have shares of Sprint. Let's pull it up. So pretty much Sprint, just an upward trend on the month. Past 6 months been choppy, but you know, recent support roughly a little bit at 582. You know, so took a trade. It's working out pretty well. So we're holding those right now. We'll see what happens. You know, I'm looking into start getting into option trading, because I know that you can grow an account a lot faster, and with this small amount of money, I need something that is a little more riskier. But yeah, so there's a lot of good stocks here to trade. But for those of you that are wondering what's going on with my day trading account, is I'm still trading in it, of course. You guys know that. But for my small account, it's very, very difficult, because some stocks I don't get margin, and I can't maximize my shares. So I would rather sit back on the sidelines, trade it in my larger account, and build up that account. But I still have it, and I'm still going to build it up. Building up an account takes time. And you know, you should really understand that it's not a get rich quick type deal. Yes, many traders can build up an account in a month too, but realistically it's going to take you 6 or 7 or even 8 months, possibly even a year, just to get, you know, $1,000 to 5. That's the smartest way to do it, because you're gonna want to trade 8 quality setups, trade the rest, trade the best, leave the rest. Yeah, so that's it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, there's really nothing else. It's pretty much just how I've grown my account. You know, almost 40%. I thought I would hop in and show you guys. Obviously, this is not my main account, guys, because I know you guys are gonna say, oh, well, because that's not, you know, your account. That's such a small amount of money. I know, guys. But hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and oh, wait. If you guys want a free stock, click that link below, join. You'll get a free stock, I'll get a free stock. It'll be good. We can get actually stocks like Apple and some other big ones. But that's it though. Take care. Peace out.